back. UMD is getting a big boost to help find and train the next generation of engineers. Advanced Drainage Systems, a pipe and water management company, donated $1 million today to the university's Advanced Materials Center. That donation will help provide things like scholarships and research funding in order to make sure there are plenty of engineers to hire in the decades to come.
We feel that the work that's being done here at the University of Minnesota Duluth, and specifically with their ANC, Advanced Materials Center, is really very progressive approach to that, and is on track to creating and providing that next level of leaders.
The donation will be dispersed over a span of 4 years, so every year $65,000 will go towards scholarships, $125,000 to research funding, and then $60,000 will be put into an endowment.